We here in the air. Are y'all dumb?
Dog, I'm a freak. Action nigga about me. Catching rat in these streets. Screaming motherfuck the feet. Talk to me nice. 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 Everything nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. It's day 3 in Dominican Republic. I'm on my way to the beach right now. My friend is sleeping, so you know I had to get up and be out. I had breakfast. Yesterday we didn't do too much yesterday. I just came to the pool and chilled. It was Sunday, so we were relaxing. Later on, we're gonna go book our excursions for the week and then just chill. Oh, they do yoga here. I didn't know. Oh, look, they do yoga. But I'm on my way to the beach right now, so just chill and relax. And yeah, probably go have lunch later somewhere. And let me tell y'all, the food here is not that good. And mind you, we're in Dominican Republic, and the resort does not have not one Spanish restaurant.
Girl, what's going on?
All they have is like Italian food, French food, and some other stupid shit that I'm not interested in. But I think today we're actually gonna like leave the resort to eat like authentic Dominican food, because that's what we've been craving. I've been craving to have some fried fish, plátanos, salami. If you know, then you know. But look how fire the beach is. So I'm gonna plop my fat ass right here in one of these and just chill. And then all these vendors are so annoying. Like, can I sit down first? Can you come up to me? They're like already screaming shit. Actually, change of plans. We're going parasailing, bitch. I'm going back to the room to go change. And I have to get my waterproof case because I'm recording. Duh. Bitch, it is so hot. I can't. Yes for the yoga. We here. We're about to go parasailing and die. Are you coming? Yes, period.
We're terrified that we're doing it.
Are you? It's my first time going, so
You see?
I guess.
Ours too. We've never been. We don't like heights.
Yeah,
we're
she
doing
doesn't
it.
like heights, so she's not.
She taught me into it.
I guess that's what everybody's doing today.
33990.
Natalie, say hi.
Hi guys.
Oh shit. Bitch, it's hot, even in the fucking shade. Bitch, I'm allergic to heat. When they ask me if I have any allergies, I'm gonna be like, the heat.
She in the wrong.
And I'm not signing no contract, bitch. I'm signing a fake name. So if I fall, bitch, have you seen Who Killed Sarah on Netflix?
No.
Her,
Is it good?
so the bitch drowns because she went parasailing and the ropes broke.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Right when we're about to go parasailing.
I mean, I'm not really that. I'm like, I don't know. I'm not really that scared, to be honest.
She's scared. She's pussy. bitch, I'm out here.
We here in the air. Yeah, this is lit.
Okay, so low key, low key, I'm scared as fuck. First, I'm mad high. It's giving. Who killed Sarah, bitch? Who killed Sarah? Who the fuck killed Kareem? So now we're going to the room to put our phones to charge, and then we're gonna go eat because we haven't eaten.
No.
And then we're going on a party boat, on a party boat. We about to get litty like a titty. No, yo voy a beber mucho.
Oh, I found somebody else.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine.
This water is salty as shit.
Oh my God, señorita, happy birthday today! Congratulations!
The water. Start a tsunami up in this bitch.
It was the baby. Not trying, no time. Okay, so when they
Say hi to my supermodel friend Alexis.
It was 6 women in the room with 6 babies.
Hey, CISO!
You got decorations.
And I put that decoration myself.
Period. Cheers.
Got $5 back. There we go.
CISO, say hi to the vlog.
What's up, vlog? How you doing?
Hey guys, I'm back. After the excursion, we went to the room and we showered. I got dressed. I came to dinner. I'm at dinner alone, but I'm on my way because they're buzzing. And then I'm gonna go take some pictures. And then there's a circus tonight here, so I'm gonna go to that. So, you know, just cute. Or whatever, something simple.